Hello everyone, welcome back. This is part 2 of the logo, the DaVinci Resolve logo we made. We left off, we did a macro, and now I want to show you how to bundle this up and send this preset out to other people, and it actually worked because saving it the way we normally save it, the logo does not go with it. It finds an extension back to your computer, and then when somebody else gets it in their computer, it does not find it if you don't have that same exact picture in the same folder. This way it'll be right with it. I kind of recommend to do all your presets this way. That way if you have to change your computer for whatever reason, it won't lose everything you made. We left off, we named the logo, we use a loader node, and you have to do that with this as well. The loader node allows you to go from project to project on your own computer with the preset. If you don't use a loader node like we did, you'd only be able to use it within that one project. And if you switch projects, it'll be corrupted. That's why I always use a loader node, and I named it because it's easier to find in the macro. But in this case, we have to change it because we can't leave the name. It will not work. So we're going to change this logo. And we want to use a loader node again. So type in loader, mine's already up there. Here's the logo we use. Now we will not change the name. I'm just going to do a quick macro on it. You already know how to do the macro the way you want to with all the controls. For the sake of the tutorial, I'm just going to do a quick one. But I'm going to pick the logo first. That way it's easier to find in the settings file that we're going to get to in a minute. And actually, before we go any farther, if you go up here to help in the Fusion page, go to documentation, developer, Fusion templates, and then readme. This is where I found the information we need. As we scroll down, keep an eye on these little headlines here. Okay, bundle assets, we'll look at that. These are all the extensions that you can use here. All these here. And we want to change the directory to the settings file. Now we want to look at the template paths. It has all the computers in here, Mac, Windows, Linux. I am on Windows. So we're going to copy and paste this in a little while here to update our folder. So we'll leave it like that for now. If you notice, I made sure I connected with this one first. That way it'll be toward the top of the macro and I can find it easier. I'm going to right click. Give it a name. Go to files as usual. Save as group. It takes you to macros, but go to Fusion instead. Templates. Edit. Titles. Here's where you can make your own folder. In fact, you're going to have to. We'll click into that folder and save. Make sure you have it named. Then you want to navigate to that folder. I'll show you how to do that. Go up to the left to Effects. That's probably what you're going to be looking at. Click on Templates, Titles, right click, and then select Show Folder. Or you can do it up here, these three little dots. And here it is. And here's our .settings file. Now we have to bring the logo in, same exact one we used in making this composition. This is it right here. We're going to copy and paste it. We have to leave it in that folder for now. Here's our folder we made. We now have the composition saved, but it is not saved completely yet like we need it to, so we can send it along with the text. I'll show you real quick. If you look at the logo note, it's still called Resolve PNG. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and add a thumbnail picture to it as well, so I can show you how to do that. We'll take a little snippet of it. We'll copy it. Everything has to be in the same folder. Now for the thumbnail, it has a different extension. This one we're going to leave. So I want to copy this. Now it'll have the same name, but a PNG extension. This will still remain a .settings. Now we need to update this file. So if we go back to here, the README under the help, I'm going to copy that. And under username, change that to your name. You could put multiple presets in this one folder. Hit enter, then you have to OK on this box. Now here's where we're going to change the directory to this logo. I use this Visual Studio. There's plenty of other ones out there that'll read .settings. It's free. I'll drag it over and drop it. Right here, you want to look for loader. This is the directory, back to my C drive. We're going to change this now. I'm going to type in settings, actually setting, colon. That's what you want. Go create a file and save and overwrite what we had. We'll open this one up. And if you look at the logo now, it has the settings, and then the colon, resolve, and the PNG. Now you know this will go with the preset. Now you'll see the thumbnail is on. I had to shut Resolve down and start it back up. So if it doesn't show, that's probably what you'll have to do. Once again, there's our settings file. Well, there you go. Hope that helps, and I'll see you in the next one.